Hi, my name is Adrian Pang, and this is my son, Zach Pang.
Hi.
My name is Fandi Ahmad plus Ilhan here.
He's my father. I'm his son.
Yeah, biological son.
Hi, I'm Andy Chen. I'm an actor-producer, and that's my dad.
Hello.
So, I'm need Coke.
老天爷给你免费的水，不好好利用，不是很笨？
偷东西，够了！你怎么可以去偷东西？
因为你没有钱。
He's stuck. Yeah, a lot.
I guess in a way the spirit is that like every dad is doing his best lah. You know, every dad is doing what he can for his child.
Along with the idea of passing on the value of values, you know, teaching the son about the value of water itself.
他讲的情戒是我们那个时代的人所面对的。
We are all the same, only. Even though we are different religion, but we are always together. So I told them they must be honest, they must be fair to people, and must be good person. That's very important.
The first scene when it was raining, and then they brought out the little pots to collect the rain. That was how it was for me growing up.
We did the same because we like the water, because for the plants, for whatever we want to do, wash the floor, we scrub the floor. With rainwater, you can do a lot of things, but these boys, they don't know.
For me, I think it was about the dad working hard. Like, it shows like how my dad now is sacrificing because got 5 kids and my mom is still not 100% but doing well.
The value is how he appreciates, you know, everything. He appreciates every person. So it taught me to be appreciative of every little thing that I get. He's the dad that I look up to, that I want to be. Yeah, so.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
So nice.
Really nicely done.
And the fact that the proverb also relates back to water again. Oh yeah.
Exactly, very clever.
Yeah.
Somebody's thought about this.